I try to be strong with them, but deep inside I'm crying. I'm really, really crying.
Alfred Hines is trying to salvage what he can after narrowly escaping Melissa's floodwaters.
I see the water at my waist, and about 10 minutes time, I see it around my neck here, and I make my escape.
Melissa's death toll across the Caribbean now at 36. On the road to Montego Bay, we encountered massive destruction, along with a frantic search for cell signal and gas.
This right here is a sight to see. People stopping and pulling over on the side of the road. This is the first bit of cell phone service people have been able to get here.
And this is the first time I've been able to get out and speak to family.
I'm sure they're worried sick about you.